Good morning. Today we will talk about past perfect continuous about tenses. Okay? Because yesterday we had learned past perfect. So today's turn is past perfect continuous. Okay? Had plus being plus verbs first form along ing and plus since or for. Past perfect continuous. We will use had plus being plus verb of first form along ing plus since or for. Okay, I already mentioned when I was teaching to you present perfect continuous about since or for, but of course I already mentioned the link in the description box about the since or for. Okay, so just you can open the link and again you also can read out about since or for. But I just tell you, since we will use point of the timing, or for we will use period of the timing or duration of the timing. There is no any fixed time, but since we will use the fix of time. Point of time is January, Sunday, okay, 1996, like that. Okay. So how to recognize that sentence is past perfect continuous. Yeah, we will use past perfect continuous or what else. Okay, so I just clear to you what is a simple method to recognize and to put the rules according to the past perfect continuous. Okay, so when we notice that our action had started, okay, but that action had stopped because of started to another activity. Okay, that's clear. I just clear to you again. We use it to define an action. We use it to define an action to start it in that past, and it continues for long time. Time should be included, okay, because perfect continuous, so it should be continuously for long time because of before another activity had over. Okay, so let's take an example. Ravi had been playing football. Ravi, something is doing, something is playing in the past because there is had been and ing, verb first of ing. Okay, so Ravi had been playing football in that park before it started to rain. Before started, just look at that. Before rain started, Ravi, what had Ram been doing? Ravi had been doing football. Ravi had been playing football in that park because before it started rain. It started to rain. Okay, so before this activity, before last activity, okay, before this last activity, before activity had finished, had done, so you just use Ravi had been playing football in that park before it started to rain. I'm just gonna clear to you again, and that's really very easy for you. Okay, we all we had been studying in school we had been studying in school for 5 years. Okay. Before got the marriage. Got to marriage. So before got to marriage, that now we are married. Now we are married. Okay, we are married and we got to marriage. We got marriage. Okay, so before the marriage, what we are doing, but we were doing. So we were doing studies in the schools. So that action is in past and that action had left by us. Okay, before the marriage. So we had been studying in school for 5 years before go to marriage. Okay. Now I just clear to you again, when your another activity had stopped before previous activity, that sentence is past perfect continuous. But previous action should be including the timing. Okay, like I am now I'm just doing what I'm teaching now, but before that what I was doing. Okay, let me clear to you. I had been learning English communications before became the teacher. I had been learning English before became a teacher. Okay, so now it's clear. Now I just tell you, if your sentence is negative, so we will include as always not. But how? Where? Always as usual we will use after helping verb, and this helping verb what? Had. So we will use had not. In the negative sense, had not been, verb of first form ing, since of form. Okay, so in the negative sentence, when your answer is not, I had not been teaching for couple of years before what? Before learned the English communications. Okay, did you clear that? Now I just give you example of interrogative sign. If your sentence is in question, so we will use as always helping verb beginning of the sentence. Had. So how for interrogative? Had plus subject plus being plus verb of first form ing plus object plus things of form. So had we been watching YouTube videos since couple of months before I opened my channel. Okay, thank you so much and have a great good night, and please just do it, and if you will practice, definitely you can got the results and you can got the solution, you can got the trick as well. Many tricks you also can get easily, but without practice how can you say that past perfect continuous it's clear? No, it's not easy. After practice can say it's so easy. Thank you so much and have a great, and please keep watching, and for that, bye.